You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names. For more confusing Irish names, Gaelic names, make sure to stay tuned. We've got loads to learn here. The spelling is always a bit confusing, meaning kindly. There are at least two different pronunciations in Irish, depending on the region, the province. Mare. No, sorry, mar. Mar is one of them, is probably the most common one. Mar, mar. Some pronounce it also as meagher, meagher or maher. No, mar, mar or meagher. I know, sorry, it's a bit confusing. Mar or meagher. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.